Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTI factory-fitted crew cab MOTED ready to go. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 183,709. MOT, the 31st of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.